I'm unboxing the Xbox Series S, and one thing that's kind of annoying is I got this from GameStop, but the box has a little bend in it, but I don't suspect there'll be anything wrong with the actual device. So anyway, I'm going to open it up, and wow, I'm surprised how small that is. Look at that. That's my hand right next to it. So this thing is actually smaller than my hand when it comes to the distance it crosses. I still have my palm coming off of it. So it's surprising or shocking how small this box actually really is. I purchased it because, well, obviously I like some video games, and B, because, well, the availability, and it seemed like a good value. That doesn't mean that someday I won't get the Xbox Series X, and it doesn't mean that I won't necessarily get the PS5, but this is good enough for this year considering the availability of the Xbox seems to be pretty limited. Anyway, I just wanted to open it up. I know there's a controller underneath it. I'm sure you've seen other unboxings, but it does kind of hit you how small it really is. It does feel pretty solid though. So anyway, looking forward to opening it up and giving it a go. I do have an Xbox One X, Xbox One X. You start getting kind of confused with all these different Series X and stuff like that. It took me a little while to research it all out. But anyway, I'm looking forward to giving this a... All right, so I'm still looking at my unboxing, and again, I'm just surprised by how little it is. I mean, I'd seen enough online footage, but just you don't really get an idea of how small it is until you see your finger next to it. It just, just kind of surprises me how small it really is, which is really cool. So anyway, I'm going to get her all plugged in and see what happens next. Take care. Bye.